keep his name in lemon. He will cry like a baby. After this is a very powerful love spell that will definitely change your life for good. If you're divorced, if you are unlucky in relationship and you really want him or her to come back to you, to beg you and to cry like a baby, you should do this. This is not a joke. This works 100%. I'm a living testimony and I've done this for a lot of people and it works fast. That's why I really want you to do this and come back with your testimony. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. It pains me when I see young girls, young women, young men, young boys, okay, they are unlucky relationship, they're crying because their lover, their partner left them. Okay, I know you can't know everything, but that's why I'm here for you, so that you can try these things and let them work for you. Okay, but please make sure you love him or her before you do this. Using lemon is very, very powerful. Lemon is powerful. In fact, I call it a spirit. Okay, you don't want to joke with lemon. If you know you don't love him or her, please don't do this spiritual work. Be ready and know within you that you are not joking with him or her. Okay, so this is exactly what you're going to do right now. Get one lemon. This is lemon. For those of you that don't know lemon is very, very powerful. It works wonder. It works for attraction. It works for love. It works for marriage. It works for a whole lot of things. So please grab one lemon right now. If you have this in your house at this point, in fact, you are lucky, and I say congratulations in advance. Okay, so if you don't have it, go buy this from the grocery store, buy it from the spiritual shops, buy it from where they sell organic products. Okay, once you have it, you want to make sure that you cut your lemon like this. You don't cut it all the way, you will just cut it like this. Okay, and now you're going to grab a piece of paper. You need a piece of paper, a plain white piece of paper, and you need a marker. You also need a perfume. Okay, I have this perfume here with me. It's very, very powerful. It's sweet smelling. Okay, perfume also works for attraction. It works for love. It makes people love you. It makes people realize the mistakes, how they have treated you, and they can come to you, beg you, and love you so much, with so much love and care. Okay, this also works for you if you want somebody to like you, to give you money, but please don't be greedy. Do this just because you need this thing. Do this because your need is genuine. Okay, so once you have all these ingredients, you're ready to do this spiritual work. All right, so and at the end of this video I will also give you a bonus. Okay, something you can add to this to even make it even more powerful. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned, watch this video from the start to the end. At this point, if you are enjoying this video, like this video right now, press the like button, and I also want you to put in the comment section that as I do this love spell with lemon, he or she will cry. She will come and beg me for forgiveness in the mighty name of God. As I do this love spell, he will cry like a baby. As I drew this love spell, she will cry like a baby. Write that in the comment section, please. So now you grab your paper, go right ahead and write his name, his or her name. Okay, write his name over here. You can write his name 7 times, please. So you write name, his first name and last name, our last name, or our first name and last name. Okay, you write it 7 times. 7 times. Yeah, so that's what you want to write, like that. All right, so and you will write your name across it just 1 time. Your name. You will make your name like a cross. Okay, look at how it forms a cross. This is his or her name here 7 times. your name, you're going to write it across his own name. So you form a kind of cross. Okay, it will form a kind of cross like that. See? So his name will be this one, and your name will go across it. But you have to write his or her name 7 times. All right, so once you've done that, now you will take your perfume. You are going to spray a little perfume on it, on the 4 corners of the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 times, right? So on the 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. You spray it 4 times like that. So now you're going to take your lemon, you cut it into half. All right, and you are going to make sure that when you do this, you are by yourself. This spell is not something you do together with somebody. It's not something you do in the presence of other people, because this thing is between you, the universe, and God Almighty. So now make sure you take a deep breath. Stay in a quiet environment. You can lay down in your bed, you can stand up, you can sit down, okay? And you can do this at night, you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, as long as it is a quiet place and you have a mindset that this is going to work for you, and you have faith that it's going to work for you. So now, one ingredient that I want to show you that you can use to even make this more powerful is cinnamon. So all you have to do is just add a little cinnamon on the name. Okay, just a little. It doesn't have to be too much, okay? Something like this. So spread it on his name like that. Okay? Spread it on his name and fold this paper towards you. Fold it towards you like this. You fold it towards you. Alright? And you are going to take your lemon, okay, cut it like that. Don't cut it all the way, and put this in here like this. All right, let it go in there. So this is what you're going to get after it. All right, this is exactly what you're going to get. So now once you've done that, this is now very powerful, and you are now going to take this, you will place it in your hand. Now you will focus all your mind on these things. You will focus all your emotions, and you are going to say your prayer. You will say your intention. You tell God Almighty, you tell the universe what you wanted to happen. Don't joke with prayers and your intention. Don't joke with your power of thoughts. Okay, you really need to speak to the power behind this and invoke the power of God Almighty onto these things, and say, as I hold this lemon in my hand and as I put his name in this, you now call his name 7 times. You say, as I call you now, you will cry like a baby. You will come back to me. You will love me forever. You will always think about me. You will always dream about me. You will always want to be beside me. You will always want to have eyes for me, in the mighty name of God. I'm not doing this to harm you. I'm not doing this to kill you. I'm doing this because I love you so much, and I want us to bond together in love, peace, and harmony and prosperity in the mighty name of God. After this, you will come back to me. You will beg for forgiveness. You will cry like a baby in the mighty name of God. So shall it be. So when you're done, you will say, so shall it be. So now you can take this lemon, you can bury it in the ground, just dig the ground and bury it. If you don't have a ground to dig, buy a potted plant and plant it there and just dig it there. If you have a flowing water close by, you can just throw it away in there. Or if you don't have anywhere to dig or anywhere to throw this, you can just keep this. Keep it in your wardrobe. Keep it for as long as you can. Don't worry, just leave it there until this works for you. This works perfectly, it works fast. Within few days, you will see your love coming back. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. For more videos to change your life, you can watch these videos over there. For more spiritual tips, you can join membership on my channel. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.